हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करेंगे लाइब्रेरी एंड इंफॉर्मेशन साइंस के जून 2014 के पेपर 3 के बारे में। दामोदरम कमिटी वाज अपॉइंटेड इन 1971 टू रिव्यू वर्किंग ऑफ polytechnic libraries, which form of reasoning is the process of drawing a specific conclusion from a set of premises, that is deductive reasoning. A non-linear model of information seeking behavior was presented by Alan Foster. Which of the following programming language is exclusively used for artificial intelligence, that is Prolog? To make a program safe, one should take care of strong authentication and access controls. In CDS, ISIS, delimiters means subfield indicators. A systematic method can process of studying and evaluating whether the expenditure for products, materials or services is justified by the benefit is cost effective analysis. What is the relationship between ISPD and cataloging codes? Anglo-American codes include bibliographic description. Who first used the phrase bibliographic control? That is Luther Evans. Cost recovery and profit making experts in relation to gathering information, organization, services and uses at extra refer to economy evaluation. Joseph W. Lippincott Award is presented to the librarian for the outstanding participation in professional association. Lippi's linked phrase indexing system was developed by T.C. Craven. Which of the following gives a complete control over the cross references of an index to the indexer? That is inverted cross reference. Alliance gateway is maintained by ILA. A situation where a digital resource is no longer readable is called digital obsolescence. What type of bibliography is International Bibliography? That is enumerative. EULA stands for End User License Agreement. WIPO Academy deals with the courses on intellectual property. Public Library Association is a division of ALA. Which of the following are the characteristic feature of post-coordinate indexing system? That is coordination of terms done by users and no fixed citation order. The three leadership styles identified by Kunz and others are autocratic, democratic and free. Which of the following are not the feature of the ISDN? That is creates and combines packets and program to visit web pages. Which of the following facilitate formal communication on the web? That is wikis and RSS feeds. Semantic web is based on which of the following? That is RDF, ontologies and URL. Which of the following are not Web 2.0 tools? That is ontologies and intelligent web. Who are associated with the development of OSI model? That is Charles Buchman and ISO. Which of the following sources you refer to get information on old name for Jaire? That is encyclopedias and gazetteers. The objective of Empowered Committee under the chairmanship of D.P. Chattopadhyay submitted in 1986 were to find out the implications of recommendation of NIP 1986 and to recommend decision points for government regarding libraries. Which of the following are plagiarism detection software? That is Turnitin, Authenticate and VeriGuide. Which of the following methods are adopted for offering information literacy? That is stand-alone course, integrated with curriculum and online course. Which of the following are direct methods of user study? That is reading habits and user needs. Which of the following are the steps in operational research process? That is construction of mathematical model and deriving solution from the model. Which of the following are statistical program software? That is GAUSS, SAS and SPSS. Which of the following organizations are involved in providing translation service in India? That is NISCAR and IASLIC. Which of the following are International Reference Center for Scholarly Information? That is DARE and Impotera. Which of the following are the work related to IPLA's Committee on Freedom of Access to Information and Freedom of Expression? That is publish reports, participate in national and international conference and organize workshop. Then monitor the state of intellectual freedom within the library community worldwide and publish newsletters and online news. And last, respond to violations of free access to information and freedom of expression and make press release. Shannon's model of information theory is criticized for which of the following reasons, that is engineering bias and concern for technical transmission. Arrange the following library acts according to their year of the enactment. First, Manipur, then Goa, then Orissa and last Uttarakhand. Arrange the following stages of knowledge representation in order. First, gathering data, then codification, then knowledge database and last content mapping. Arrange the following according to the year of the emergency. That's CDAC, first NICNET, then CDOT, then INET and last CDAC. Arrange the following steps in flowchart in order. First, identify problems into sub-problems, then data structure, then loops and transmission of loops and modularity. Arrange the following libraries according to the year of their origin. First, Asiatic Society of Library Bombay, then Connemara Public Library Madras, National Library of India Calcutta and Delhi Public Library. Arrange the following according to the year of the origin. First, Statements Yearbook, Europa World Yearbook, Walker Annual and last India Reference Manual. Arrange the following in the order of development. First, Memex, Hypermedia, GML and last SGML. Arrange in sequence the following committees workshop in order of the year of the constitution. First, UGC Committee for Development of the University and College Libraries, UGC Review Committee on Library Science, UGC Workshop on Standard for College Libraries and UGC Committee on National Network System for University Libraries. Match the following tools used in TQM. A statistical quality control, checking variables, check sheets for conformance and maintain strict Pareto charts to identify intensity of problem, fishbone diagram to identify relationship between problem and causes. Match the following hypothesis and characteristic. Null hypothesis for no relation between variable, working directional, statement of expectation, explanatory, no relational propositions, descriptive, existence of variables. Match the following theory of hygiene and motivation. Herzberg, maturity theory, Argyris, expectancy theory, Roman Loka, analysis theory, Ricketts. Harold Kuhns, 3 leadership style, Francis Likert, force system management, Peter Drucker, MBO, George Habib, problem solving versus decision making, information literacy competency, standard for higher education, ACRL, 7 pillars of information literacy, Sconnell, guidelines on information literacy for lifelong learning, IFLA, information literacy working group. Called. Match the following theories with the respectively pro-founders. Cybernetics, Norbert Wiener, human information processing, Charles Osgood, psychological approach to message transmission. R.L. Ackoff, General Information System, Marshall Shiovitz. N. Kroger, Handbook of Special Librarianship and Information Work. J. Saha, Special Libraries and Information Service in India and USA. Nilfred Ashworth, Handbook of Special Librarianship and Information Work. N. Kroger, Scientific and Technical Libraries and Introduction to Literature. L. J. Strauss, Scientific and Technical Libraries. Behavioral Science, Cognitive Process of Information. Philosophical Studies, Studies on Epistemology, Ontology, Study of Nature of Existence. Biological Science, Information Processing in Living Things. Match the following implications with the respective laws of the library science. Location of the library, first law. Obligation of the state, second law. Publicity, third law. Strength of the library staff, fifth law. India Who's Who by INFA publication, New Delhi. Who's Who in India, Business Press, Mumbai. Dictionary of Indian Biography by S.P. Sen. National Bibliographic Dictionary of India, J.S. Sharma. Information on recent Nobel Prize winners by it is digest service. Current developments in library and information science. Trend sources, books on economic policies of India. Bibliographic service. Articles on cloud computing, indexing services. Principle of osmosis. Declassification. Theory of literary warrant, Dr. S.R. Raghunathan. Public libraries are stagnating pools of books. Sinha Committee. Firewall security. Referral, directing, SDI, anticipating, extension, reaching out, reprography, support. Match the following. Similar activities as group, punctual system, grouping activity into divisions, departmentalization, integration of projects into functional system, matrix structure, control and supervision through hierarchy of position, bureaucratic system. Virtua, VTLS, Virginia, Allies, Softling, Australia, Lipsys, Infotech Consultants, News and Live, Video Technologies. Match the following. RTF for Microsoft, PDF, Adobe, TIP, Elders, AU, Sun Microsystem. Match the following Mark 21 tags with respective fields. 020 for ISBN, hundreds for the personal name, 260 for the publication and distribution, 440 for the series statement. Social networking tools are very effective for marketing of library product and service. Reason, they help to reach out the patrons anywhere and at any time. Both are the true. There is no need for libraries to invest on reference collection. Reason, web is a treasure of all types of information that can replace reference decks. Both are false. UGC has devised performance indicators for the promotion of faculty and librarians. Reason, performance appraisal is an important tool for merit rating. Both are true. All average dictionaries provide word meaning, antonyms, synonyms and places at extra. Reason, all dictionaries provide information on antonyms and homonyms at extra. A is true but R is false. Information literacy is technique and skills known by the information literate for utilizing the wide range of information sources and tools. Reason, it discourages the use of libraries and information center and makes the patron independent in identifying, locating and using information sources without depending upon an intermediary. A is true but R is false. Inverse document frequency is the logarithm of the reciprocal of the number of documents in a collection that contains a given term. Reason inverse document frequency measure is computed from term frequency and inverse document frequency. Both are true. Subject gateways are suitable for all types of users for finding their information. Subject gateways are developed by subject and computer expert. A is false, but R is true. The principle of canonical sequence states when subject in an array of subjects are traditionally referred to in a specific sequence, it will be convenient to conform to this traditional sequence. Reason in classification scheme, the principle of canonical sequence is mainly followed to arrange the array of subject. A is true, but R is false. Acceptance of first law of library science books are for use has brought forth for reaching change in the present digital environment. Reason online access, open access, virtual reference are the result of this acceptance. Both are true. Pandex is an indexing system which sometimes allow changing the lead term to a standard form in order to provide better collocation of terms. Reason it facilitates the first input string to be truncated after 18 characters and second after 11 characters. A is true, but R is false. SGML is an international standard that describes the relationship between the document's content and its structure. Reason its primary purpose is to facilitate the sharing of data across different information systems, particularly via internet. A is true, but R is false. In the digital environment, the users expect from the library the ability to connect a broad range of information resources in a variety of formats with a single point access. Reason libraries already have much of what is required in the digital environment. A is true, but R is false. The diary technique enables the researcher to keep record of information activity of the users for a specific period of time. Reason the diary technique is the most suitable technology of user studies over the other technique. A is true, but R is false. Thank you.